In this video, I'm going to show you how to write and publish an article on LinkedIn. Now, you can do it on your personal profile, or you can even do it on your company page. The functionality is the same. So what you do is up at the top where it says start a post, you see there it's got there write an article. By clicking on it, it's going to open up the article window. You can upload an image, and I would highly recommend you use an image, and you can see here it shows you the dimensions that you must use. You then put in your title and put in the article text. You can copy and paste from a Word document if you've pre-written the article, or you can type it straight into LinkedIn. Then up at the top here you can see the different functionalities. So you can have heading styles, you can bold it, italic, you can have bullet points or numbering, you can use a block quote, you can add a divider between paragraphs or between sections, you can add a link to text in your article. So in other words, you could link people to a free guide on your website, to your website's homepage, to your online booking calendar, whatever it is. And you can also add images. You then click on next. You get the opportunity to type in some text telling people what the article is about, and you click on publish. Your article is then published on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.